Okay guys, it's Jail Digger. I'm in the backyard now of the 1883 house. Well, not actually the backyard, but this land I'm in ties into the house. And this was supposed to be in a drive-in movie theater, but I can't find any information on it. But I did just find a concrete foundation here that I believe was a concession stand. And I was just working my way around here. The grass is tall, it's hard to swing, but just working my way around here, and I just found I think it's a 1953 Rosie. It's got a D mint mark. That's a good sign. I haven't been here but maybe 2 minutes. So hopefully I can pull a lot more out of here. Let you know if I find anything else. Okay guys, working my way here in front of what I believe is a concession stand. And I just found a old Zippo lighter. Pretty rough, but alrighty, I'll let you know if I find anything else. Okay guys, been hunting probably about 15 minutes here, and the grass is pretty tall. It's hard to swing, but just found another find. 1951 Wheatie. Find it again. Have to use this camera. I'll keep pushing along here, see if I can find anything else. I'll let you know. Okay guys, about 5 inches down the hole, I got a 1946 wheat. Hopefully I can start finding some more silver here soon. I'll let you know if I find anything else. Okay guys, I've moved on here. I think I'm back where the bathrooms used to stand. I'm not sure, but I'm starting to get a lot of signals around this. Just a big hole in the ground. But I believe this is where the bathrooms were. I just dug a 59 D memorial right over there. And the concession stand was right there. And I'm probably 30 yards from it. But I just dug a 50, I think it's a 58 or 53D Wheatie. Can't really, yeah, it looks like a 53. Alright, I'll let you know if I find anything else in here. Okay guys, welcome to the roundup. I got out for a short hunt today. It's October 17th, 2015. And the land I was hunting ties into the land of the 1883 house I've been hunting on. And I did confirm that it was the drive-in movie theater, and I made a few finds, but nothing too great. But just a surface fine golf ball. Kind of pretty cool lighter. Kind of decorative. It cleaned up alright. Even got the lid working. And on the bottom it says Storm King, USA. So, pretty cool find. Now, I'm not going to get into too much detail on the pennies. 40 wheat, 51 wheat, 53D, 59D, 63. And I did find the one silver, 53D Rosie. There's probably more in there, but I'm not going to get back there for a while. But and I quit digging nickel signals because there were just pull tabs everywhere. Got tired of digging those and just went for the higher tones. And I did find a Duke Ale. Thought that was kind of different. But anyway, I did confirm it was the land for the drive-in movie theater, and that was the concession stand. So I'd like to get back there sometime and kind of pick through it some more, and it's a lot of ground to cover. So, but anyway, it's not much of a video, but I'll let you guys know if I find anything else good in the next video. So thanks for watching. Good luck out there and happy hunting.